Hi, welcome again. This is your Anamika ma'am, and in this part of the video, we will learn degrees of comparison under the topic transformation of sentences. Now, children, it's just a reminder to you that to transform a sentence means to change it from one grammatical form to another without changing its meaning. So it is possible to transform the grammatical structure of a sentence by interchanging the degrees of comparison of adjective and adverb without altering the meaning of the sentence. So let's start. There are three degrees of comparison. Now you can see first is positive degree. Second is comparative degree. And third is superlative degree. So now what is positive degree? When we use an adjective or adverb to describe just one object or person or idea, we call it positive degree. It does not make a competitive comparison, children. Now when we talk about comparative degree, so comparative degree is used to compare between two or more subjects. Now, superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when more than two things are compared. It is formed, as I told you, usually by adding est. You can see by adding est to the adjective or adverb. Now here one adjective I have used, children. Long. Long in the positive, longer in the comparative. You can see suffix er in the longer and then est in the superlative degree. Suffix est in the superlative degree. So long has become longest. Now see again positive degree. In positive degree, children, we use as. You can see as long as we use in positive degree. Now children, you can see this word important. Important word you can see. It is having more than one syllable. So note is also there. You can see here. Note. More than one syllable having more in comparative and most in superlative degree. So you see here important having two syllable. Important. So in comparative degree we'll use more important and in superlative degree we will use most important. Some more children, some irregular adjectives are also there and they do not follow any pattern. So you can see good, better, best. Now children, you can see, as I told you, in positive degree we use as with adjective or adverb, and you can see we use in comparative degree after the adjective or adverb then, and in superlative degree we use the before adjective or adverb. Now children, we are going to change positive sentence to comparative and comparative to positive. Interchange of positive degree and comparative degree. Now see here. First sentence is of positive degree. Kolkata is as big as Mumbai. Two subjects are there. Mumbai and Kolkata. See how we are changing it into comparative degree. Mumbai is not bigger than Kolkata. Now you can see that as big as is changed into bigger. positive and then comparative. As big as change into bigger. Now see sentence number 2. India is larger than any other democracy in the world. India is larger than any other democracy in the world. Now this is comparative. Now we'll change into positive first. No other democracy in the world is as large as. Have you seen? As large as India. So this is positive. Now even we can make superlative of the same. India is the largest. Now first was large in positive, larger in comparative and the largest in superlative. India is the largest democracy in the world. Sneha is more intelligent than most other girls in the class. More intelligent is showing comparative degree. Now how you are going to change it in the positive degree? More intelligent, you will start here. Few girls in the class are as intelligent as Sneha. Because here we have said Sneha is more intelligent than most other girls. It means Sneha is not the most intelligent. Some more girls are there who are as intelligent as Sneha. That's why it has started from few, very few girls. Now moving to another sentence, hardy. Hardy is not greater than some other writers. Greater than is showing comparative degree. Now see, I have changed it in positive degree as well as superlative degree. First, some writers are as great as Hardy. And when we change it into superlative degree, it will be Hardy is not the greatest of all the writers. Hardy is not the greatest of all the writers. Now I will tell you that how we are using the best in the sentences, in the degrees of comparison. One sentence I have made for you. This is the best hotel in this area. The best hotel means no other hotel is as good as this hotel. See, first you see in the comparative form. No other hotel is better than this one in this area. Better than. So it is the best. Now when we have to make it in the positive degree, then no other hotel is as good as this one in this area. Now see children, coming to next, how we are using one of the best. One of the best means not the best. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the best batsmen in the world. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the best. One of the best means some more are there who are as good as Sachin Tendulkar. So, first comparative degree. Sachin Tendulkar is better than most other batsmen in the world. And then when we have to make it in the positive degree, we will use very few. Very few batsmen in the world are as good as Sachin Tendulkar. Now children, one more note is there. In comparative degree children, you are using than. But few words are there where you have to use to. Okay? You will not use than there. You will use after them to. TO2. Now see which are these words. They are junior, senior, inferior, superior, prior, anterior, posterior. So with these words you have to use to. Now some more sentences we will see. Few countries in the world are as large as China. As large as shows here positive degree. So it is very necessary first of all to identify the degree. After identifying the degree only you can change it into another degree. So this is positive sentence. Now we can change it in comparative as well as in superlative. China is larger than most other countries in the world. Comparative degree. Now superlative. China is one of the largest countries in the world. Now see the other sentence. No other man was as strong as Hercules. No other man was as strong as. This as strong as shows positive degree. Now children, Hercules was stronger than any other man. So this is comparative degree, and when we have to make it in the superlative degree, in place of stronger we will use strongest. Hercules was the strongest man in the world. Now moving towards next sentence. Very few Indian, again very few we are using. So it will be changed with one of the. In the superlative sentences. Very few Indian saints were as popular as Vivekanand. So now superlative degree of this, very few is said means one of them. Vivekanand was one of the most popular Indian saints. Here children, you make mistake when you use one of the, you have to use the plural word. Sometimes you use one of the with a singular word. This is wrong. So Vivekanand was one of the most popular Indian saints. And then you can make it in the comparative degree also. Vivekanand was more popular than. Than is there, which is showing comparative degree. Than most other Indian saints. Now children, this is all for today's class. Till then, take care, stay home, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thanks.